Among all the dwarf and lesser spheres floating about within the inner cosmos and firmament of Lineaos, only two of them seem to have rings revolving around them. The first of these miniature ring worlds is Statius, whose sphere glows a dark bluish color, and whose rings seem to be gray. The second and last of these mini ring worlds is known as Bonaventure, whose sphere seems to be of a dark, soft reddish color, and whose rings seem to be also of a dark bluish color. These miniature ring worlds bring to mind some very real ring planets within our very own solar system, like the gas and ice giants of Saturn and Uranus. It is still quite a mystery as to how Bonaventure and Statius got their rings, but they could have got their rings in a similar fashion as to how Saturn got its rings. Scientists believe that Saturn got its rings when asteroids and moons got too close to the planet's surface and gravity crushed them to bits, and they turned into debris. And eventually, they began to form around into their orbits today that we see as rings. Also, unlike Saturn, Bonaventure and Statius seem to be in a tilted position within the sky. So, these miniature spheres floating about are more similar to Uranus than Saturn if you really think about it. It is believed that Uranus was once like Saturn, having a stable axis, but then a large planetary body in the early solar system smashed into Uranus, tilting it on its axis in the present position we see today. Could something similar have happened to Statius and Bonaventure? What do you think?